Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And for all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much and welcome back. Now guys, for today's video, I have a different kind of video that I've never made this kind of video before. What I have is the battle of the $25 beauty boxes. I have the $25 Boxycharm versus the Ipsy $25 box. Both $25, both 5 full-size beauty products in each box. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox them, and I would love to hear your opinion at the end of who do you think sent the better box. Or I will also leave a poll up here where you could just leave your vote who sent the better box. Just click on that and leave your vote that way. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to start with Boxycharm. Now, I went ahead and I just went and cut the tape off of this, and we're going to open this up, and this is the way it looks on the inside. Now, as you can see, Boxycharm came a little bit beat up, but everything arrived nice and safe and sound. And here is the theme for May, which is Mother Nature. And I have version number 11 at the bottom of the card. You can see what it is. They have different varieties of boxes. And on this side is all my products and how much everything retails for, and a quick little description of each item in the box. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start opening up Boxycharm and see what we think. Now, the first item out, which I'm super excited about, is this Glam Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And this retails for $49. And what they say about this is a creamy, rich, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with an antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. And the manufactured retail value of this is $49. Now, I am super excited to try this because I looked online. Ooh, smells, it's not real strong or anything, but it does have a little berry scent. Looks like yogurt, right? Looks like you could almost eat it. Smells pleasant. But yeah, it had a lot of good reviews, so I'm super excited to try this and see what I think about it. So this is a Berry Glow Mask. Okay, the next product out is this one, and this is a lip pencil. And I will hold that right up there for you guys. And this is from Gerald Cosmetics. And this is the lip liner of your dream. Creamy and pigmented, yet long-lasting to help complement any lip look. Retail value, $16. And there's the color. I love that color. That is a pretty color. And you can see that right there. That will look very nice. Oh, I love that color. I love lip liners. I need lip liners. It's just a fact of life now. So I really am going to enjoy that. That is a beautiful color. I have a lot of lip products that shade. So this will definitely get a lot of use. Yay, Boxycharm. Okay, and this one I'm excited about too. This one I've heard a lot of good things about. This is Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. And this eyeshadow primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long wearing. And it's great for all skin tones, and the retail value of this, $22. Yeah. See, these are why I'm liking Boxycharm, because I would never pay $22 for an eyeshadow primer. So yay, I get to try this, and I did hear a lot of good things about this. So I'm super excited to try this. Now the next one out, I'm pretty happy with this box just looking down at it. This is Violet Voss Essential Palettes. And this essential palette is a refreshing new take on essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones and breathtaking mattes and finishes, or matte and metallic finishes, for $29. Oh, look at these colors. Look at those. Let me take that off. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, I love those. The dusty rose and the cinnamon. Look at that. I love those two colors. Oh, and that'll be so nice to play with. Look at that one. Oh, look at the green. The green will be so fun to play with. And then the next two out are, I guess they're going to be they're considered one product, but they're two little pods. And these are the Ace Beauty eyeshadow pods. And these are highly pigmented soft shades with a creamy texture specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. And these retail for $25. So $12.50 for each one, I guess. So very cute little colors. I'm definitely going to get some use out of those. So let's quickly go over the bag again, or the box. We got the two little mini eyeshadow pods. We got the very nice, I'm very happy with this eyeshadow palette. We got the Glam Glow face mask. We got the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, so we can put our beautiful eyeshadows on with. And we got a nice lip liner that I will definitely get a lot of use out of this one. Okay, so that's round one, Boxycharm. Let's break into Ipsy and see what we think of Ipsy. Now, before I even go any further, I have been watching other people unbox their Ipsy, and everybody has said that there has been no information cards in Ipsy. So I went ahead and I pre-opened it, and they were right. There are no product information cards on here. So I say Boxycharm should get 1 extra point because they did give me a product card. Ipsy did not, and I had to go online and print everything out so I could tell you guys about it. So 1 extra bonus point to Boxycharm. But open up Ipsy and look how beautiful this is. Then Ipsy takes it back because I like the Ipsy box better. I like the foam. So I give Ipsy another extra bonus point for their packaging. They had better packaging than Boxycharm. Boxycharm was all beat up and they only had plastic in there and it didn't look as nicely wrapped. So I say we're back on even Steven again. Now you're probably seeing a card and you think this is an information card, but it's not. It's just what is it? What does it say? Oh, it just has different makeup and what things do. Highlighter 101, liquid 101, powder 101. Just tell you how to use some makeup products, some little tips. But nothing about what's in the box. So, like I said, I went ahead and printed this out. So we are going to get into the first product that's right here on top, and that is some eyeshadow brushes. And these are from, hold on 1 minute, let me find that little thing. This is Sugar Rush, and this is A plus brush set. And this is 3 count, and the retail value of this is $19. And this kit contains 3 essential arsenal tools: a tapered blending brush for buffing eyeshadow into your crease. Let me get that one out. That's this one. This is the blending brush. And then they have a pencil brush for blending eyeshadows into your lash line and pops a color in the crease. And then this one here is a round shader brush for packing on the pigment. So you can pack that on your eyeshadow or on your eyelid. So that's what those, so a nice set of 3 eyeshadow brushes. I like that very much. Okay, so next item out is this one, and this is the MUDMASKY mask. And this retails $52.88. And it did have a lot of good reviews on this, because I did check into this one before I opened it, because I wanted to see, I peeked and seen what I was getting in this box. But what this is, it says, no skincare routine is complete without a serum, especially one that is infused with natural vitamins and minerals like this. And what you are supposed to do with this is put this on after you do a face mask treatment. And it seals in all the goodness of the face mask. So I'm super excited to try this one. Okay, now we have the next item out is this, which is this, and this is Beauty for Real High Def Mascara in Just Black. And the retail value of this one is $19. And I also read up a little bit on this, and it had a lot of good product reviews on this mascara. And here is the wand. Yeah, I like that wand. It's very small and tight, and that helps get really close to your lash line. Like, you can really get in there and flick it up. So I'm super excited to try that. And the next item we have out is this. And this is from Tarte. And this is Tarteis Creamy Matte Lip Paint in Choker. Retail value $20. Now this is a warm brown shade, and they say it's the perfect way to get in on the 90s inspired trend. These guys dry fast, like really, really fast, meaning transferring, bleeding, and mirror checks will be a thing of the past. So I do like matte lipsticks for that reason. Now let's see. Okay, yeah, it's definitely brown. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try it, but wow, oh wow. That's what it looks like. We'll see. I might like it, I don't know. Kind of a neutral shade, I guess. I don't know. That one's all right. I'm not in love with that one. Oh, and let me show you the little makeup bag. Ipsy gives you a little makeup bag every month. And this one is super adorable. There's the inside, a nice bright little yellow. It just looks summery, don't it? Shades of blue all the way to yellow. So I love the little bag. And the last product out, guys, is the eyeshadow palette. And this is from Mimosa Moments eyeshadow palette. And the retail value of this is $22. And this one says it has 4 mattes and 2 shimmer shades. And it can be used to create an endless array of looks, from a soft, subtle wash of color to big, beautiful, smoky eyes. So let's see what this eyeshadow palette looks like. Ah, very nice. Very usable, nice neutral shades of color. Yep, 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. So definitely very, very everyday friendly eyeshadow palette. So it's usable, a nice usable palette. Okay, so that's nice. Let's go over and do the review of the Ipsy. Now the Ipsy, you had the makeup bag, you had the eyeshadow palette. Okay, and we had a lip product in this one too. And this was from Tarte, and it was a brown 90s inspired shade. And we had the MUDMASKY in Ipsy. And we have the Beauty for Real mascara. And we also have the great eyeshadow brushes. So let's compare them side by side. Here is the Boxycharm. So, both boxes had skincare. Ipsy had this one. This is a mask from Boxycharm, and this one is an Aftermask on Ipsy. So, I say this is a tie for me. I'm excited to try both of these. An eyeshadow palette for me, I'm going to, this was Boxycharm and this was Ipsy. I'm giving this one to Boxycharm. I just thought these had more fun colors in it and these were more plain, safe, everyday colors. Let's see, how can we compare this? On Boxycharm, we had a lip liner. That's a nice color. And on Ipsy, we had the 90s inspired lip liner or lip gloss, lip paint, I should say. So, I'm gonna say this is a tie on both of these. I can't say which one I like better. All right, and then, whoops. We're gonna compare eyeshadow primer in Boxycharm against the mascara, both eye products. So that's hard to say. They're completely different, but excited to try both. So those are kind of a tie. And Ipsy gave me the eyeshadow brushes for my 5th item, and Boxycharm gave me the 2 little eyeshadow pods. So I'm giving this one to Ipsy. So, and also Ipsy has the nice cute little makeup bag. So I'm going to say this is a close call for me, but I'm going to give it up to Boxycharm. Personally, for me, I think Boxycharm I'm going to have the most fun with. They gave me more fun colors. So I say it's a close call though. And like I said, I would love to hear your opinion down below. Do you guys like Ipsy better or Boxycharm for the month of May? Everybody's different. Remember, I have the poll up here too. I would love to hear who you think gave me a better box. And also, please remember to let me know, do you like these videos of comparing the 2 boxes together head to head? Okay guys, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.